All right, when you're going to drain it, you want to unplug it. All right, so if you don't want to mix water and so all you do to drain it really is I get a little pie pan like this, you see, and I'm just going to kind of lift it up a little bit and get it on the pie pan, just like that. Get the first two little wheels on there, and then I'm going to unscrew this, go to the left, and this thing's getting all twisted on it. Just like that. Right now, the water, if there's any in there, it'll drain out. And what I do is I just kind of lift it up like that. And as you can see, we've only used it for a couple minutes, so it doesn't have any anything on there. So let's go ahead and put our cap back on. Whoops. We'll get our cap back on, right? So we're just going to go on here and screw it on. You want to make sure you get it on there good, because you don't want the water dripping out. Bam, done. All right, that's it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this portable air conditioner. Peace out.